audience and friends and honorable teachers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा. I request all of you, please make your due concentration, whatever I will deliver in front of all of you. Today is my topic, 7 decades of independence and challenges before democracy. Main point of this topic is why we are facing many problems in the time of democracy. But time is very little bit, duration is very short. As we got information in the beginning, you will be given time 5 minutes, but it has cut down maximum 3 minutes. Then I will focus only on the democracy and how we can improve the problems of democracy, especially in India. First of all, we should know the definition of democracy as it is defined by Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is the government of people, by the people and for the people. It means all power is in the hand of common people. All power is in the hand of a normal people. Every Indian has same equality power to make a government, to make a society, to make a law. Every Indian have a same and equality power to do so. But when our India got freedom from the British colors in 1947,